So owning a restaurant, there's always tons of maintenance to do. And so today I'm in Corvallis. I'm going to be replacing that door handle because it looks terrible. As you can see, it's two different door handles that we patched together. So I'm going to be replacing that, getting rid of the deadbolt, putting in one of those, you know, occupied deadbolts, and getting rid of the doorknob altogether. So it's just a push. So let's see how it goes. Everything's taken off. Now I'm going to kind of clean it up a little bit, get some paint on there, and then we can start putting it back together. Okay, number one rule in spray painting, don't tape anything off, just do it. Maybe open the door so I can get out after. Oh yeah. Perfect. We've got a few runs, but that's okay. We need to lock the door. Otherwise I can't get back out. Uh-oh. Well, I'm back to square one. I've tried for about 40 minutes to get that door lock to work, and it's not. So we're going back to the old one. It'll be fine. It'll look great. Don't worry. Okay, this little project ended up taking me like an hour and a half, so that's all I have for you today. I have some more work to get done, but I gotta get it done fast before we open, so that's how you replace a doorknob. Ish, kind of. Handle. Replace the doorknob with a door handle and a lock, and then replace the lock again, so. See you later.